So I'm just gonna do like my everyday makeup, something like that. Everyday glam if you want, perhaps. That's what I'm going for. So let's get started. Okay, so I already washed and exfoliated my face. I have really dry skin, so I need to do that kind of every day. So I'm gonna be using the Pixie Rose Ceramide cream. So bomb. Looks like this. It leaves your skin really hydrated. And it smells good. These lights are so hot. What the fuck? Is my background moving? No, right? Anyways, okay, so now I'm gonna prime my skin. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Optical Illusion. This has lasted me for so long. This is my second bottle, but my last one lasted me like about a year. So is that gross? I don't know, but it lasted me a year, and I think it's really pore filling and it leaves you with a nice complexion, and I like to pat it in. I like to get under my eyes just because I have wrinkles and I'm 20. Now it's time for my foundation. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution foundation stick, and then on top of it I'm going to use the Born This Way by Too Faced. I can never just use one foundation. I don't know, I can't. I feel like it doesn't give me enough coverage, or I don't like the mix. So I'm going to do 2 stripes, one right here, right there, and then let's do 2 like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then I'm gonna mix some of my Camila oil in this. This is really good. This reminds me of the Farsali oils. If you don't want to spend $50 on an oil, I would suggest just get this one. It's only like 13 bucks, maybe even less. So yeah, definitely recommend. And I'm just gonna mix it in the back of my hand. Now I'm gonna use a stippling brush. Mine's broken. Get it together. I like to do this first, and then I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender just to make sure it's all blend out. Yeah, I'm gonna make a video about how I got rid of my acne scars, because I had like, I don't know if you guys could still see it. It's still there, but it's definitely not as dark as it was. And I had some right here on my chin. So, on my chin, my mouth area. So yeah, I'm gonna make a video of how I got rid of my acne scars soon, because I know like everyone struggles with that. So, and I got rid of them in like a week. So here's my sponge. Okay, now I'm gonna go over it with the e.l.f. sponge. I'm gonna put just like the tiniest amount the back of my hand, like the back of my beauty blender, like this, and I'm gonna see if I like it. I'm scared to use it because it's like micro. It reminds me of the Juno sponge, and I didn't like the Juno sponge. Whirl Pro Concealer to contour, and then the Born This Way by Too Faced. This is my favorite. And also, I'm just gonna put a little bit of the Huda Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer. This one's lighter than the Too Faced one, and I just like to do it right here, so it's like really bright and pretty. So, yeah. What I like to do when I cream contour, I like to kind of go above my cheekbone, like right there, because when I blend it out, it's gonna go lower, obviously. So if I start lower, it's gonna keep going low. Get me? I suck at explaining shit, but you know what I mean. Morphe Y9 brush. now that I did all that, I'm gonna set my face with the Huda Beauty translucent powder. I need a new powder because this is the only one I use. And then with this, I'm just gonna like melt it all in. I'm just gonna keep patting it. I'm gonna spray this a lot throughout the video. This is the Rose Glow Mist by Pixie, and I feel like it really hydrates my skin, so I'm gonna use that. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera, and what did I use? Not even here. I just had it. Oh. Okay, it's right here. I used the Benefit Precisely My Brow in number 6 because I have black hair, kind of black brownish. Okay, so now we're gonna bronze and contour, and I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Saddle, and I'm gonna be taking a Makeup Shack T42. So now I'm gonna use blush, and I kind of want the Kylie Jenner blush because she uses like big amount and it looks really pretty. So I'm gonna use my favorite blush, which is Deep Throat by NARS, and then this is a LA Girl 104 brush. I knew that, I just had to look to make sure. And I'm gonna put blush on the nose. And I put a lot of blush because blush goes away like really fast. So now I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna use my Sleek makeup palette. This is really dirty. Okay, I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna use the bottom. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. The bottom right shade. This is this one right here. How did I forget my left and right? Before I do that, I'm gonna spray more of the Pixie Rose Glow Mist. Alright, so for the eyes, I'm just gonna use a couple shades. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm gonna take the shades right here, Puree and Summer Yum, and I'm also gonna take this gold shade right here, which is called Peaches and Cream. Really messy glue today, I don't even care. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so I'm gonna apply some lashes off camera, and I'm gonna use this mascara, Lash Sensational. I said it right. So the lashes I'm gonna be taking are called Chismosa by Luxe Lashes. They look like this. Super pretty and dramatic. So yeah, I will be right back. Eyeliner under my lash line. And then I'm also gonna use the same 2 shades I used in my crease on my lower lash line. For my lip combo, I'm gonna do the one I always do, which is Whirl lip liner, and then I'm gonna do Baddest Beige lipstick by Maybelline. like I need a gloss. Always. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Melted Latex. This is a high shine lipstick, but honestly it feels like a lip gloss to me, so I'm gonna use that. It took me long because I was so I don't have intros are so hard. Fuck. Okay. Alright guys, this is a finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This look is honestly so easy to do. It took me about 20 minutes to do it if I wasn't filming. If I wasn't filming, it would take me about 20 minutes. It only took me long because I was. So yeah, I feel like you could do this every day if you wanted to, or when you just don't know what kind of makeup look to do. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and also like and comment down below and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see, and don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on all my social media. I'll leave it on the screen and also on the description bar. Bye guys, thank you.